Hi guys, this is Sadek from Droidwin.com, and in this video, we will show you how to remove the Google Discover app from your home screen and replace it with any other app of your choice. So if you scroll to the left hand side of your home screen, you could see this is the Google Discover feed that you are getting. Currently, I am not logged into my Google account, so I'm getting a random content. If you are logged into your Google account, then you will get the feed corresponding to your search history and browsing history. However, you cannot remove this section from the home screen. At the very most, you could just turn it off, but even then, the setting will be still there. So let me show you what I mean. If I go to settings menu and if I turn off the toggle next to discover, you could see while I am not getting any feed or content, but the section is still there. So in this video, we'll show you how to remove this section from the left hand side of the home screen and replace it with any other app of your choice. So on that note, let's get started. First and foremost, you will have to root your phone via Magisk. If you haven't done so yet, then please refer to the guide given in the description and root your phone via Magisk. It requires patching the boot image file using the fastboot command and then flashing by the fastboot command. So make sure to root your phone via Magisk. And once that is done, your next course of action is to install the Expose framework, which is known as LSPost as well. So I have already made a video on that, but let me show you once again how you could install the Expose framework, also known as LSPost. So for that, your first course of action is to enable the Zygisk. So launch the Magisk app, then go to the settings menu. From there, enable the toggle next to Zygisk. It will now ask you to restart your phone. So do so, or you could wait and flash the module and then restart the phone in the next step. Let me show you. So your next course of action is to download the Zygisk LSPost framework. So the link is given in the guide. Go there and download the module. And let me show you the module. This is the page. Go to the release section, and from there, make sure to download the module which says Zygisk release. So download it and place it on your phone. Once you have done that, let me show you. This is my phone. Just a minute. Let me place the module on my phone, and I will show you that as well. So if the phone is not visible on your PC, then you have to change the USB mode to file transfer, and your phone will now be visible. As you could see, it's there. So make sure to transfer the file on your device, and it might be there in a downloads folder. So this is the LSPost zip file that I'm talking about. So download it from the GitHub section and make sure it's the Zygisk release. Once that is done, you will now have to flash this file via Magisk. So launch the Magisk app and make sure you have enabled Zygisk. If that's well and good, then go to the module section. After that, tap on install from storage and then select the LSPost version 1 zip file. It will now be flashed onto your phone. Once that is done, you will now restart your phone. So let's tap on reboot. The process will only take a few seconds to restart, so let's wait for the time frame. While that is happening, let's move over to our next step. I've already made an entire video on how you could flash the LSPost Expose framework. You could refer to that video as well or proceed with the below steps. So our phone is now booting up with the Zygisk enabled and the module installed. Once that is done, we'll now have to install the Magisk. Now have to install the Zygisk UI in the front end as well. As of now, the module has been installed in the back end and there is no UI in the front end. So let me show you how you could do that. So for that, go to your device section, open your device. You could do so from a phone as well or from the PC. So let's wait. As you could see, we do not have the LSPost app in the front end because the UI has not been installed. So you'll first have to install the APK file as well. So for that, you have to go to the zip file of the LSPost. This is the zip file as you could see, and you now have to open the zip file. So go to your phone, or you could do so from the PC as well. So choose file transfer and your phone will be visible on your PC. From there, go to the LSPost module which you have placed on your phone, and from the LSPost module, you will have to copy the manager.apk file. This is the LSPost APK file. So extract it and place it on your phone anywhere on your phone will do. So let's do that as well. I have already extracted the manager file from the LSPost zip file. Once that is done, you'll now have to install this APK file. So simply open the file manager app on your phone and just tap on the APK file and it will now be installed. Tap on continue and hit install. The LSPost is now installed. You can now type on open, and as you could see, the LSPost, if you get a parasitic manager recommendation, then tap on OK, and with this the LSPost has been activated on our phone. So our next course of action is to install the module. So for that, you will have to go to my guide, and the name of the module is the Discover Killer app. So download it from the GitHub. The link is given in the description as well. So go to this module page and download the Discover Killer app. Once you have downloaded, you can simply install it. So let's launch the File Explorer app and let's install the Discover Killer app. So tap on continue, tap on install. The app will now be installed, but it is not yet activated in the module. So tap on done and now launch the LSPOS module. And from there, go to the module section, select the Discover Killer app and enable the toggle next to enable module. Also make sure that you have checked marked the Google app. Once that is done, you will now have to force stop the Google app. So long press on the app icon, go to app info and tap on force stop. Once that is done, you can now launch the Discover Killer app. So launch the app and it will ask for a magic prompt. Tap on grant and let's now launch the app. We have now given it the magic prompt, and from here you could now either select the custom overlay or a custom app. In custom overlay, you could add any feed of your choice, RSS feed of any website, and in the custom app you could choose an app from which you could open on the left swipe on the home screen. So for example, let me choose an app. Let's say it's the Magisk app. So now if I swipe left from the home screen, you could see it will launch the Magisk app and there is no longer the Google Discover feed on my home screen. Accordingly, you could choose any app of your choice as well as any RSS feed you want and then apply it on that page. If you go to the release page of this app, you could also see that the work in motion. As you could see, the developer has placed 3 different types of news RSS feeds over here. So you could place these RSS feeds or simply choose an app and place it over here. In my case, I placed the Magisk app. So guys, this was all from this guide on how you could replace the Google Discover feed on your home screen. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section and please subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks a lot for watching.